Hello, my friend, about representative of Dr. Mohammed Chudhuri, MSCOO7 Mushroom Mohammed Dr. Ya Alif Lam Lam Ha Yellow Shapi Yellow Mapi Yellow Kapi Anar Abdul Mohammed Shapi Anar Abdul Mohammed Mapi Anar Abdul Mohammed Kapi. Now, my friend about our science class. What is science? Science is anything, any matter, any event, any problem, any occurrence can solve by logic, document, but artificial mathematical question will prove with experiment. That is science. What is the branch of science? Two branch, mainly two branch: creative science, creation science. Creative science remain in one non creative yellow real everything. Creation science remain in creation everything. And creation science, branch of creation science, space and time, physics, uh, space and time, discover about creation, space and time, physics, discover about elaborated about energy. Uh, Also fundamental substance, complex substance. Creation by branch like atom, discovery elaborated about creation science branch chemistry, discovery elaborated about atom and chemical reaction. Now physics, chemistry, microbiology, discovery about biology, virus, bacteriology, bacteria, parasitology, parasite. Now in case of botany, discovery elaborated about creation like tree, zoology, discovery about animal. Now, except that there is a disease process prion, that is also not protein, and that is protein in nature, maybe not protein in nature, as per I know, that is also allergen substance, produce allergy disease. Now my friend was about our allergen particle, you know that dust remain. That is the reason those are allergic sensitive. Those food have allergy, avoid that. Also dust, avoid that. Now my friend was about our we discovered about the applied science. In applied science, in your house, how you do? For example, in your house remains sodium chloride, water. From sodium chloride you can make made a saline. Sodium chloride and water combination you can make made a saline. Now homework how saline make made. Now you in your sodium chloride and saline. Now go to the in your fruits there is a that vegetable. From vegetable you found the vitamin mineral and and vitamin minerals and vegetable. Which vegetable contain which vitamin mineral? That is the for nutritious food. That is homework. Now now in your house hot ribbon, polished rice, and polished rice contain hot vitamin. That is your homework. Vitamin B complex you see that. In vitamin B comes a hot, okay fine, polished rice or boiled rice water. In case of dal protein, vegetable protein dal is suitable for your health. And protein energy malnutrition, uh, protein energy malnutrition occur without protein. But if you uh, polish rice with combination dal, drink that, that rice water with dal, then you drink that, you have no chance to put it, less chance to put in energy malnutrition. Okay, fine. And now, okay, fine. In your toilet, there is a stool. By stool culture, you bacteria like those do diarrhea like Salmonella, Shigella, Vibrio cholerae, and Salmonella typhi, paratyphi produce typhoid, Vibrio cholerae produce cholera, and Salmonella Shigella diarrhea, and other parasite that is giardiasis produce amoebic dysentery, and bacillary dysentery that Salmonella Shigella. Okay, fine. In case of that stool culture with the virus bacteria, those are immunity you have, and with hygiene maintained culture there is a produced gas, for gas you found the count. gas collect and stool culture. In stool there is a secure culture pad, and then stool culture with virus bacteria and found gas. From gas you found the electricity, burning gas. Also in your house stool culture, that's the project, homework. Now fine. Now from that, now we go to the stool culture policy. Then in your water, filter water, 2/3 liquid, 1/3 solid you found. In 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 house there is a in environment air remain. From air you syringe, one syringe take a air, but in case of air what remain, air component. In case of air, nitrogen, oxygen. In jar, collect the jar. From jar you how oxygen collect and nitrogen collect. In oxygen you know that you collect the oxygen 99.9% and give the fire. You found the fire energy. A jar or a pot or a a a a, a, a jar or pot. From jar, pot and jar you found the oxygen or cylinder oxygen. From oxygen if you take the 99.99 oxygen, collect and you switch on oxygen flow. In oxygen flow metal, not semi metal, non metal, that is metal protection, otherwise it may be bust, that is harmful. And then there is the gas. If you give the fire energy, that is burn. You found the burning gas. From burning gas hit the metal. If correct the metal with the wire, you found the light energy. You found the kinetic energy or mechanical energy for your house. Now you go to that is also project. You know that how you made a filter. There is a jar. From jar there is a you the clean cloth. How from how you collect a clean water from rainfall already say. And from rainfall there is a 5 minute after rainfall you found the collect the water, pure water. Then you found the equal more or less after 5 minute rainfall you found the clean water. Then river water, how you purify river water. Then ocean water, how you purify ocean water. Those have ocean water. Then water, in case of water, you know that water engine. What is the water engine? Water engine, you know the steam engine. And now water engine, what is that? That is the reason hydrochloric acid. Now how you found the hydrochloric acid? Natural you hydrochloric acid, and there is a metal that is risky. In metal box, in there is a remain hydrochloric acid and single drop of water fall and explosion occur, and that pot is silicon metal, highly metal and dense. Then explosion occur. Then that pot is collect to electric wire. You spawn the electricity and single drop of water falling and is shell and explosion occur. From that explosion you found the energy. An energy, huge energy, that is called water engine, but secure. If explosion the pot is not secure, highly metal and secure, there is a 3 layer, first, second, third protection purpose, and 3 layer protection. You found the water engine. By water engine you can utilize to pound the electricity. By electricity, mechanical energy, kinetic energy. Also your car, vehicle can move by that water engine. What is air engine? Air engine is the remain oxygen. In air engine collect the oxygen. Then the 99.99 in oxygen jar or oxygen cylinder found the oxygen come out. If you give the fire energy, then fire. From fire there is a metal, remain the metal. The metal is John red iron. You found the heat energy. From metal, heat energy convert to electric, fire energy convert to heat energy convert to kinetic energy, mechanical energy. Also electricity, more electricity in fire. If more than 1000 degree, equal more than fire is 1000 degrees Celsius. Okay, fine. Now, without you know that in your house, how and how utilize that. In case of iron, and that is risky, also protection necessary. That is the applied science. You know that by that applied science you can and how can survive by that project. Now gardening. In case of gardening, you in your home utilize already water utilization, air utilization, remain soil. From soil you tree plantation, and tree plantation, which trees you persist or you need to can, which fruits or which vegetable you like, mostly like vegetable plant gardening occur in your corridor or or row, which plant you you most, everyone have a selection like tomato, like brinjal, like a bean, which vegetable you most like, that vegetable tree in gardening, when necessary you found the vegetable, and which fruits you like, that fruit tree, and which medicine tree you like in gardening, that medicine tree. Oh, from medicine tree you found the medicine and the white money in your row or garden. Okay, fine. That is called tree plantation. And now that is your homework. And now now by that homework, all over the world, every family, one vegetable tree, one fruit tree, and one medicine tree remain. The medicine also available, fruits also available, vegetable also available. The carbon dioxide of the world reduce. That is your homework. Only how much money necessary? Didn't equal more or less how much money? You know that less money. Okay, fine. Now, how to tree plantation occur? You try to know that by that tree plantation. Now, botany. Now, apply of botany. Now, zoology. Which animal you necessary? Chicken, cow, goat in your farmhouse. In case of in case of city, you know that chicken. Then bellied animal like chicken, pigeon, and quail. You found the egg in your home. Chicken, quail, or chicken, quail, or pigeon. You found the egg, boiled egg, and you found the protein from bellied animal. Now unbellied animal. In case of unbellied animal, what happened? For pet animal, unbellied animal, not transferred to zoonotic disease, not bedroom, in cat house, dog house, rat house. From that unbellied animal, you also earn white money. How? If you learn game and communication other animal from pet animal, your pet animal communicate to other animal. By that policy, you can other animal play, you can earn white money. Okay, fine. Now my friend supporter. So, okay. But in case of animal, not animal sex, please. Don't do that. Bestiality means animal sex, no animal sex, not bedroom. That is not fair. That is your husband, right? And